then write the equivalent find the missing values in the ratio table, then write the equivalent ratios. You can find and organize equivalent ratios in a ratio table by adding or subtracting quantities in equivalent ratios and multiplying or dividing each quantity in a ratio by the same number. You can use a combination of operations to find the missing values. First, how can you obtain 3 from 6? By dividing by 2. So divide each quantity in the ratio 6 to 27 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 27 divided by 2 is 13 and 5/10. Now, how can you obtain 67 and 5/10 from 13 and 5/10? By multiplying by 5. So multiply each quantity in the ratio 3 to 13 and 5/10 by 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15, and 13 and 5/10 times 5 is equal to 67 and 5/10. Now how can you obtain 21 from 15? By adding 6. To use addition to find an equivalent ratio, you must add quantities in equivalent ratios. Notice the original ratio is 6 to 27, so you can add 6 to 15 and 27 to 67 and 5/10. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21, and 67 and 5/10 plus 27 is equal to 94 and 5/10. So the equivalent ratios are 6 to 27, 3 to 13 and 5/10, 15 to 67 and 5/10, and 21 to 94